How to perform same action on every sheet? Like this is a workbook and these are the sheets, and sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and I want to perform a action on every sheet. Like I want to write something in A1 sheet, or I want to perform any other action, like I want to insert a column. So we can perform this task using VBA, writing only 2 or 3 line of code. So let's see how we can achieve this. Go to developer tab, Visual Basic, and insert module sub for every. We will use for each loop to achieve this. Name WS as worksheet, and for each worksheet, or I must say WS, for each WS in worksheets, WS dot range A1 dot value equals to namaste, and we will end this code by writing next. Just run the code. Oh, it's giving some error. For each worksheet, dim WS as worksheet. For each WS in worksheet, spelling is wrong. Let me correct it. Sheets. Now again run this code. See, Namaste is written on every sheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. In this way you can also perform any other action. Just writing this 2 line and writing the main code between these two, like I've written this to write. Or let me show you, you can also add a column. Just write this code, WS dot range. I want to insert one column after A1, so let me write the code. Entire column dot insert. Just run the code. A column will be inserted just before this in every sheet. See, a column has been created. You can see it just moved from this place to this place. Sheet 2, column added, and sheet 1.